Good day guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the streamer talents building, this one, to defeat streamers with higher levels compared to our streamers. In the campaign and arena buildings, we can see this symbol. If we click this symbol, we will see the following information. This information represents the 6 factions in Clash of Streamers. The LUL faction, which is anti-PogChamp faction. The PogChamp faction, which is anti-Smurk faction, and the Smurk faction, which is anti-LUL faction. The Kappa faction, which is anti-Tryhard faction, and the Tryhard faction, which is anti-Kappa Pride faction, and Kappa Pride faction, which is anti-Kappa faction. Anti, guys, means that we can use that faction to defeat the other faction. Below the 6 representations of factions in Clash of Streamers are the combination of several factions, which means that we can combine several factions to defeat one faction or to counter one faction. In here guys, we can see that my next opponent belongs to the Kappa Pride faction. And in this battle, I am going to be defeated because I have not yet set my streamer talents building in order for me to defeat opponents with higher levels. Okay, let's try to go to battle guys. And as you can see, I have been defeated. This time I am going to set my streamer talents building in order for me to defeat my opponent. In here guys, we are seeing these settings. The lower part is for my team. The upper part will be the settings for my opponent that I am going to counter. So since my opponent belongs to the Kappa Pride faction, and Kappa Pride faction is being countered by Tryhard, I am going to pick for this area, for this part, the Tryhard faction. So that is the same for all 3 guys. I'm going to put the Kappa Pride in here. Same for this one. And also the same for this one. Now let's go back and try to battle. And as you can see guys, I defeated my opponent. Thank you for viewing this video guys. I hope that this will be helpful for you in playing this game.